Hiya, today we're going to make an easy soft cheese, walnut and herb stuffed mushroom. Okay, and this is what you need. Right, you want some ground black pepper, you want 4 breakfast mushrooms, you're going to have 2 dessert spoons of wholemeal bread, we're going to grate that. You want a dessert spoon of chopped walnut pieces, we'll do that. You want 125 grams of this Boursin cheese, and you want 2 dessert spoons of chopped parsley, which we're going to cut up and do. Okay, we'll do this and then we'll get... Right, we've box grated a slice of bread so that you've got your breadcrumbs in there. We've chopped up your parsley and we're just going to cut the walnuts just with some scissors like that. So we're going to get a good dessert spoon from that. Okay, and then we'll get back to you. Right, what we're going to do now is mix in your 2 good dessert spoons of wholemeal breadcrumbs. We're going to put in 2 dessert spoons of chopped up. It's the curly parsley, not the flat one. It's a better taste, it's curly. And then we're going to get a really good dessert spoon of walnut, which we've chopped up. Now then, we're going to mix all this up together and then we'll get back to you. Okay. And we've put a couple of grains of black pepper in the cream cheese mixture before we put it in the mushrooms. Okay, don't forget to do that. Okay. Right, we've mixed in our mixture. We've wiped down the mushrooms with a damp cloth just to get all the dirt off them. We're going to take the middles out and then we'll get back to you. Okay. Right, we've got a baking tray and we're just going to give it a rub with a bit of olive oil so nothing sticks. And then we're going to get our mushrooms, which we pulled the middles out, and then we are going to fill it with this mixture evenly. So we will come back to you when we've done that. Okay. Right, we've divided the mixture evenly. We're just going to flatten it down gently with a knife, just so that they're all level. Okay, and spread out. To do it that way, then you can see what I'm doing. What we're going to do now is pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes and we'll get back to you. Okay, this is 180 degrees. This is a fan assisted, and that's what it's the middle shelf. Okay. Yep. Don't forget to pop the middles in as well, and you can just cut them. Okay. And we'll get back to you. Right, we've had them in just about 20 minutes, just over, and when you're getting slightly golden on it, then you can see, then they're done. And what we're going to do, because you've got the olive oil underneath, they won't stick, and we'll get them off and put them on a plate and then we'll get back to you. Okay. Right, what we've done here is served it as a main, just with a side salad, but you can do it with the veg as well if you want, or you can do single ones and do them as a starter. Okay, and that is pretty much it.